I can see your colorful outfit being an esports boy, and that's completely okay. All right, that's completely okay. Esports wiggle boy wacky Jackie, here I come. Oh. What do you mean WTF is that outfit? What are you talking about? Are you dead? Thank you. YOLO! Don't shoot me! No! Oh, there's another hit, but now I can't see him. I'm just gonna eat him, Oh! One more try. Okay, didn't work. Didn't work. Thanks for the ride, buddy. I'll get a little bit over the top, but that's...
This is the propaganda message from the propaganda BRDM. Supreme Leader WackyJacky101 calls you to subscribe to twitch.tv/WackyJacky101. Comply immediately or be eliminated. This is your final warning. Comply or be eliminated. Elimination complete.
What is this loot? Oh, it's gonna shoot! Oh, he was wiggling. He was like... The problem is you get shot from the side. All right? What the heck is going on? He's like... Oh, I'm getting shot. Oh, I'm getting shot. Oh, ow. I'm getting shot. I don't get it. Just run. Oh no, that's great. He's just standing up. He's like, and then all of a sudden, whoop. Yeah. Oh, that's great. Truly. Ah! Hey, that was really toxic. Ah! Ah! Yeah, that hurt a little bit. These guys down there, they're gonna have a blast right now. There guys there. Imagine what they will see when they see this. Ah!
Smoke me. Oh, God.
What just happened? There's a lot of force in this arrow. Oh my, what? Uh-oh. Ah! Can you just die? What the heck is this potato fighter? That was great. Man, I loved every moment of that. Yeah! Wait, there's someone here? That's what you get. I have to take this a little bit more seriously. Okay, this car does not do this very well. Alright, I'll show you why I like the QBU. All I want to do when I have the QBU is go prone and just click bot. Because it is so satisfying. Like this guy, for instance. There's no way I'm not killing him really quick. Uh-oh. That was cool. I had a feeling he was gonna follow me up there. That worked. You could do this in a normal game, but you will die yourself, obviously. Very nice. How did it feel being these guys? I want to know. Okay, C4 here. C4. Take one each. Or take two each. Take two each. Go, 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 go. Fly, 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 fly. Fly, my kids. Fly. Fly. Pup Jesus, no. What are you doing? Fly. Not like oh no.
Kind of spooky. Goes all the way to the George. I need assistance. A little bit of assistance here.
I could use some help.
Okay.
Alright, this is fine. Deployment failed? Wait, which one is it?
What? This one's mine because I aimed it the wrong way.
I'm getting onto yours.
Wait, we can both attach. We can both.
Ah! Come on! Well, there's a lot of planes around here. Hey, there's a guy there. We're gonna give him a nice sound. Imagine if what he heard was like. Like, can you just scream? Yeah, you're gonna have that effect. You're gonna have the. Oh, that's great.